Hey friends, if you wish to customize the Windows 11 taskbar, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Okay, now you can change the search box using this. Either you can hide it or you can choose search icon only or the complete search box. You can enable the task view or disable it. You can enable widgets or disable it. Okay, and then you can also check whether you want more system tray icons here or less. Accordingly, you can add them. They appear here as you must have seen. And then you can manage taskbar behaviors like automatically hiding the taskbar or not automatically hiding the taskbar, showing badges on taskbar apps like this recording symbol here or not, showing flashing on the taskbar apps, and other options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.